Today we are gonna talk about the precaution against COVID-19. In this video, I will explain you how can make your factory or your company precaution against COVID-19. Hi, my name is Asif Jamal and you are watching AJ Techno Solution. So until now, did not subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel so you can get the latest video and latest news and many things related to knowledge. Let's start about the precaution COVID-19. There is a content. We will talk about there is a many content. First content management crisis. Second meetings. Third area working area communication, transportation, entrance checkpoint, cleaning of premises, washroom, smoke area, canteen, water dispensary, accommodation, back from vacation, SOP suspected case of corona, mock drill and so first point is crisis management. Only plant area wise emergency response team before we are doing and after that frame with the team members by CEO, director and HOD. The second point is meeting. Before you are conducting meeting with the one place with the meeting rooms. Now we are going to you can implement with the meetings. Meeting are taking through online by using you can use Microsoft Team. Top most priority provide to action to prevent corona. To be model in front of others on preventive action against coronavirus. The next point is working area. Working area before the people are working together. This is the overcrowding gathering. Now you have to make at least 1 meter distance, social distancing. This is the very important point because the overgathering is very for the working area. Reduce the attendance level. Implement work from home practice. Sitting position have been arranged by flowing social distancing safe at least 1 meter. The next point is communication. Before in-person mass meeting, in-person toolbox meeting, emails, WhatsApp message displays. After only video conference, you have to do video conference, email, WhatsApp message and displays. Transportation. Now you can see here, before passengers are traveling by the bus with the sitting beside each other. Now, after that alternative seating, you can see the picture alternative seating, allow 1 by 2. And it means your by bus 2 by 2. You have to only allow 1 by 2 seating capacity to this inspection of bus and cars. Next point is entrance. Entrance wait queue, finger punching for attendance. You need to remove this all these things after. Wait queue is temperature check and make a distance 1 meter distance between two men to men. Put hand sanitizer. No finger punching for attendance. Submission of department attention by HOD and aid to HR. So with the entrance, you have to check day by day who are entering into the factory or your companies. You need to check the temperature. The temperature not more than exceed more than 37.5 centigrade. The next point is cleaning of premises. Before the people are doing like sweeping by brush with the brush with the pressure cleaning floor by using the normal floor cleaner and pest control, hand sanitizer and console. Now with this situation you need to no brush air pressure clean by using at least by alcohol at least 60 to 70% alcohol coldex such as the coldex. I tell you one thing, detols are not approved by EPD, so the do not use the detol. Use you can see in Saudi Arabia there is a one brand safe or a Colorex which is 60 to 70% alcohol is there. Disinfect spray in every 3 hours. If you are company working such as a genuine reason in this condition, you have to You have to disinfect spray every 3 hours. Increase ability of hand sanitizer location every human contact area. It means some places like a reception. There is a many places are there are many people are coming going. So you have to availability of sanitizer, hand sanitizer. Next is washroom. Like, before, people are regularly cleaning by using floor cleaner, hand wash, hand sanitizer, no mask. Now, in this condition, because of the coronavirus, cleaning of using Coldex, at least same as I told you before, every 3 hours per day, every 3 hours a day, hand wash, hand sanitizer, put mask, corona based checklist of cleaning process monitoring. Your hand wash should be minimum 20 to 40 seconds. You have to wash it. Disinfect restroom in every 3 hours by using the trained cleaner. Don't let any people who are cleaner to clean your floors. You have to train your people, your cleaner, to how to spray, how to mix it. Because last video you can see my coronavirus compliance checklist. I show you how to mix it. So now let's move the next video. Smoking area. Smoking area is a really crowded area. The people are very close, are smoking. So you need to designated smoking area, open area, required of keeping 1 meter distance. You have to display one poster to keep everybody each other man to man 1 meter. This is the high risk. This is the high key point is high risk inspection because the employee is smoking close to each other. The next point is canteen. There is a many company and there is a many plants. There is a canteen. The people are sitting to each other. You have to make a poster before people are sitting to fully occupied table to benches or something acting each other facing each others. Now you have to make, because of the corona, no one sitting across and beside the person. Seat are labeled are keeping social distancing. Only if you have a almost, you can decide at least many maximum you can allow the people maximum 10% at a time. There is a key point is display instruction to make user to alert to keep social distancing. You have to make the poster there to make them social distancing. Let's go for the next point. Water dispensers. Dispenser was open area, access to all employee. Now inside the identified location of plants. It means there is an before it was open place. Now it's identified location, any company or any places. Detected the dispenser of concerned area. So let's move for the next accommodation. This is the accommodation. It's a really nowadays in Saudi Arabia. It's a really very dangerous for the people. Now you can see with the in Saudi Arabia, the all patient almost 80% infected people who is coming from the company who is living in the company accommodation. This is the very important for you and for the all companies, for the all enterprises, even the small who is living alone. Before everyone cooking together, washing in mass, and if there is a praying together, eating together, no hand sanitizer, one time cleaning in a day. Now cooking one dedicated chef, you have to appoint one guy who can cook limited use at a time in the kitchen, and not allow you have to make the precaution to allow in a one time as per the space. Praying allowed only on room. Don't pray go with the mask with the overcrowding. Hand sanitizer each room should be available. 3 time cleaning in a day. Disinfect the spray. Temperature checks. Like these such things of such like of things you have to do for your accommodation. There is a key point is display instruction. As I telling you every display instruction to make user to alert keeping social distancing. This is the very important for the every country. For everyone facing every country, this is the big things too. You need to make social distancing. So let's move for the next point. Next point, it's a vacation. Vacation, there is a many people are coming from the vacation from the abroad, and they are directly coming for the room and coming for the work next day. Now the MOH or WHO, the World Health Organization, they said who are coming from the uh, abroad from the vacation, they have to 14-day quarantine himself. Quarantine rooms with all required available should be available. You have to make one temporary quarantine room. So he who people coming from the vacation, he should take a quarantine by himself. For the how to home isolation, you can see my video. You can go and see my video. Suspected of corona. Identify who is having a more than 37.5-degree temperature. Quarantine him immediately. Call the ambulance immediately and transfer to the hospital. Identify area employee who are worked and dealt with the person. Follow up with the hospital. Ensure whether the person sent to hospital is suspected case of corona or not. It means if there is any have a temperature more than 37.5, if confirmed hospital send the identified people who are worked and dealt with them. It means who is suppose that somebody if anybody suspected or is a confirmed corona case, so you have to identify who is come with him to touch, so you also you have to quarantine them. Hospital by calling the ambulance ensure their health condition. If the declaration of doctor is not symptom of corona but could cough, fever, health issues, would be sent to the 14 days self quarantine. Announce the suspected case calmly to employee without making them the panic, so that will come forward to explain us about suspected person. Sanitize the area where suspected person was. The area where people are living, where people are working. So you have to sanitize them. Do an immediate temperature check for all employees and concerned plant. If you find anyone suspected, you have to temperature check everyone individual. Don't miss this one. You have to check everyone. So we will go for the next step. Next is mock drilling. Mock drilling, it's a mock drilling before it was before EMS, environmental management, so OSH, health, occupational health and safety, GMP related. Emergency mock drilling were conducted such as fire, chemical, spill, gas, tank explosion, etc. Now, mock drill on the suspected case of corona would be conducted in all plant branches, accommodation, including the suppliers or subcontractor. It means you have to make them the mock drill every who is working with you. Don't miss this one. The next point is awaiting the delivery. Topic is awaiting and delivery. Install it who is going by through this road by this road, so they can detect his temperature and you can know easily, so no need to go individually and check his head. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your family and your friend circle so they can also. That's it for now. You protect me, I protect you. Don't forget to use mask if you are going to outside.